My mom loves birds. It is precious in my life.
What do you think?
I've always been happy spending time with my mom.
We're gonna put some of this bird stuff for them. Wait,
We explored the world,
look at that.
but there's always some regret.
What bird is this? I can't see clearly.
You can't see it clearly, huh? It's okay, you know.
Happy birthday!
Grandma, it's for you.
Oh, honey, thank you so much.
I hope she'll like it. I miss this moment so much,
I love it.
What's that?
but I have a better solution this time.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
Happy birthday, Mom.
It's a society fish.
NETVUE Birdfy Cam, the choice of bird lovers.